putting that box into the detail light, and put it right here. Press record. It hides under there, clap to sync. Good to go. For those of you that are interested in the equipment, DA50, Godox, everything, I'm doing a 12 to 24 so I can get really wide on this one. I may switch to 24 to 70, but other than that, it's just going to be personality. So let's see what they can do. I'm checking my ambient. I want to be at least at 160th of a second. And whenever they come in, I'll redo it to set my ISO and everything for the correct exposure. I'm switching my lens already. 24 to 70. I just checked. 24 is wide enough to get all the way from one side to the other, so should be no problems there, especially since I can get so far back. A quick tip for everybody that does the white seamless backdrop like this. If you put it down on hardwood floor, it becomes slippery. So make sure to let them know whenever they come in that this is slippery. Careful, it's slippery. And this is the camera that's going to be just recording me the whole time. It just follows me around and stuff.
That's so cool. How does it know to follow you?
It has facial tracking, that's all. Oh yeah, so it's picking up. So it'll transfer back and forth.
Are we carrying you? Yes.
Okay. I hope they don't drop me.
Oh, is it following us?
Perfect.
So cool.
No, it's following him.
Well, it's supposed to follow me, but it picked up her, so I guess it doesn't matter.
Miranda walked in was like staring straight at the camera.
That's so cool, dude.
Yeah, we'll transfer it to her. I'm trying to. I have a YouTube channel that's 16 years old that it'll go on. So. What? Careful, it's slippery. So first, I do have to do a test just to make sure the lighting is right. So let me do that. You can keep talking. It's just anybody epileptic?
No.
Yep, I had it right. So we're good. Here,
So
I'll
we're
show.
gonna try to do this.
I'll show.
So what are you
All right, so they're gonna try and hold her,
Hopefully my hands are big enough.
and she's just hoping they're not gonna drop her. Just jump in there. Just jump in.
It's like your crowd surfing.
Okay, pick up your leg.
Hang on. I'm here to just take pictures. Pose. Pose it out. Look at the camera. 1, 2, 3. Look at the camera. You're doing great. Oh my goodness. Well, now y'all are prepared for it. You're prepared for it, so you know.
Underneath, yeah.
She was just trying to hold on to her like a briefcase. Just. This is. This is real life. Oh, this is way better. Oh my goodness. It's so perfect. It's so amazing.
I just had to grab you because you were going to fall.
But let's look at the befores. Let's look at the.
Oh my God.
Hang on.
Look at Aurelia holding up for dear life.
Just- This is like these are the ones.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
Well, now I have to make sure that my light.
Standing 'cause I'm heavy as hell.
Yeah, my lights reach the. Oh yeah, this is perfect. Do crazy, more, just something. Oh yeah, everyone just like.
No smile, guys. Charlie Angels.
Straight up.
Oh, I like the arm wrestling down below. You guys arm wrestle now. They're arm wrestling. It's an arm wrestling match. Oh, hey, do the heart. Hang on, Crystal, get back in there. They're doing a heart together.
Can I put my face in it?
Yeah. Oh, definitely. All right, legs up, legs up. Perfect. This is great.
That's so cute.
Oh my gosh.
And then the funny craziness. Oh.
We love it. Okay. Oh, I think it's so funny, guys.
All right.
You have to make sure
And
your
then-
hands like show in the pockets. That's what
And
makes
we're gonna choo-choo train this way. So just scoot,
I'm sorry, I don't
scoot, 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 scoot. It's even funnier when y'all lean forward, like you're just laying on each other. This is great. Lay down on each other. Oh, take a nap. It's so great.
Y'all want to stand up and kind of like pop your leg and be up, you know?
Oh, a little prop?
Yeah. Are we doing pockets still?
Yeah, yeah. Just because it's why not? Are y'all do them forward and then do them backward, both ways.
I don't know if I have this ability.
Forward.
Wait, are we kicking it forward?
Yeah, everyone's doing forward. Oh yeah, this is the good stuff. Now backwards, like y'all are doing. Yeah. She's got. Oh, I missed the. Oh, I got it. I got the fall down.
All of us. We're all Bambi.
Oh look, and then we could do a GIF.
Oh,
that is
cute. That'd be super cute. I told him I'm gonna post it on Facebook.
I love that one.
Yeah, sure. We could do that. That's no problem. That is no big deal. All right? Who's going? It's just a two. So
Let me try you.
so we'll do this. So just step it. So everyone else just step it.
Okay, turn around.
Hang on. Wait. So everyone else just step against the wall, and then I'll add you in. It's a good thing y'all have insurance, because scoot this way just a little
Why don't
bit.
you just like
Right there.
piggyback instead of like
Oh, we
trying
can
to
do piggyback,
you
yeah.
can do it. I think it might be easier.
I mean, you can't see your face real good, but that. We tried.
Try piggyback.
Okay, you're gonna have to piggyback on me. You're gonna have to jump.
So you're gonna try piggyback?
Oh, get in the middle if you're gonna try it, just in case.
Wait, ready? Wait, no, hang on. But don't be violent with it, okay?
No, never.
Because I'm gonna headbutt her. Do you want me to climb? Don't do momentum, you know what I mean?
Okay, go.
Yeah, let's do climbing. Okay. Oh, starting me.
I'll help
Lift
you.
my bottom, please.
All right, get into a pose. Get closer. Get into a pose. Get behind her. Oh, just anywhere. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is perfect. Do a heart thing. Do the heart thing. Put your hands in. No, no pockets. No pockets available.
I'm just like holding her butt. Like,
Yeah. No, it's great.
Sorry,
It's great. It works out perfect.
Yeah, we were.
Good. It's still following y'all doing craziness. We're missing one, so make room.
how do we put our hair? Just like now?
I was just gonna lay on it. Does anyone need to move?
I think it was my butt. Oh, that could go so
It's always slow motion.
I know. Sorry.
So you would have to like scoot this way and up, and then you'll have to come in.
Okay, so this way?
Watch out for the thingy. No. So you put your feet more that way
Oh, this way.
and go more towards her.
Oh, this way.
Yeah. Not that much.
Sorry.
Too much.
So you must have got get rid of the whole thing.
Too much lean. Yeah. Now I don't have a head or a neck or anything.
Where's my forehead?
It's just one of. I'm just gonna keep making y'all laugh and just keep taking pictures. I hope my camera is focusing. Oh my goodness, so much happiness. Lowering my light so I can see the people on the floor a little better.
You hug her on this side?
Get a little further around.
Her?
Yeah, so you could see her. And then like really lean
Yeah,
over.
really lean low. It's because I'm short.
Aw. This is like a nice family spot. Just perfect. Goofier.
Sorry, you can switch.
Put your left leg straight up. Like right behind. Oh.
Yes, touch your heads. Touch your heads like we're dogs.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Really?
Lean your head so she's doing perfect. Like lean back and now grab her arm. Like so use your right arm and like hold on to her. Like, yes, we're family. This is great, you guys. Perfect.
Okay, very serious face.
Oh, super serious?
Yeah, in this position.
Oh, get down below and look through her legs. Oh yeah.
Yes.
Step this way just a little bit. Perfect. Oh, this is great.
We're doing serious?
Oh, smile for now. Smile. Keep smiling. Okay, now super serious. Put the hearts down, and everybody like.
Oh wait, are we not holding each other anymore?
No, we're super serious now.
Like
Yeah.
Oh, we're professional.
She can't not be serious. She is.
I'm trying really hard.
She's like
That silence was really loud.
perfect.
Like that?
Perfect.
No, just
It's like it's like she fell down and everybody's just like, "Hey, are you okay?" This is rude. This needs to be seen.
We don't feel Aurelia's hair. Where is it? Rapunzel.
As she's like playing with it. I don't know what to do with your hands. It's just a cacophony of craziness.
Wait.
No, yeah, that's perfect. This is perfect. Yeah, I mean, we can't do it any better.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Aurelia. Oh my god.
You can't get any better. Can't get any better. Oh yeah. 1, 2. So just mimic me. Okay, ready? Put your feet down for a sec. Oh wait, they had it perfect in the middle. All right, no. Just put your feet down for a second, and then just mimic me. Okay, ready? Feet up. Perfect, and then out. Wait. Feet. Okay, so feet down real fast. Okay, so feet down real fast.
Okay.
And then we're gonna go out. So 1, 2, 3, out.
How do I go out? You stick your foot up.
So y'all would cross. So like you would go under and she
Oh,
would go
okay.
over and then under, over, and then they're just out.
Okay.
Do you got your under overs?
Okay.
All right, feet out. Perfect. Oh, we had it.
Okay, one more time.
Okay, one more time. Under, over, and then outside, out. Oh, Crystal didn't have it. All right, under, over, go. Crystal's holding it. Oh yeah. Crystal, foot out. Oh. Crystal. Just hold. She's just holding it. Well, just all of a sudden she just starts turning sideways and like losing control.
Fish out of water. Maybe hold it
Hang
more
on,
my
get
chin.
closer together. Get closer
Oh, like your
together.
chin. Yeah, like there you go.
Crystal, get closer. Yeah. Y'all were really spread far apart.
Okay. Ready? Yes.
Ready, set, go.
Yeah.
You've got it. You've got it. Crystal, look at me. Crystal, look at me. Okay. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's great.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh yeah, y'all get around her and like hold her. Okay, ready? Grab her, grab her, grab her. Got her. Oh yeah, this is wonderful. Perfect. Yeah, grabbing her hair was great. Everyone's got to put in a little bit of work.
Oh my gosh.
That's so awkward.
That's,
A random hair hold.
yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna do a cringe hair.
Serious face. Now laugh. Funny. Ha ha. Hee hee hee.
You should grab her hair like kind
Is-
of like pulling it.
Somebody.
Oh, like this?
Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Perfect.
I'm
I
on
can't
my
wait to see that one.
Oh, there is
It's so perfect.
Oh my gosh, what's wrong with me? Oh, I like that one. Oh my gosh.
You look so dominating here.
Are you still at the bottom?
Yeah. That'll even be better.
Like this, it looks funnier.
Oh, they're just randomly
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stuff.
That's what I said. It's not. Hang on. Scoot this way a little bit so you're all in the thing. Yeah.
Mid-talking. Perfect.
And we're done.
Like that guy that did me at Gina's. Did me so dirty.
I mean, it could just be these. Just some. It's that one.
No, I like that one.
That's the one.
Oh, I love that.
That's the one. Because they would be like, oh yeah, we see why they're looking at her right there. She's doing Spider-Man.
Oh, we're not? Oh, okay.
Hang on, let me make sure. Point the signs, just angle them down a little bit, just so the flash isn't like that.
Oh, okay.
Just so the flash isn't perfect. She's got that one look. Look into each other's eyes. One leg up. 1, 2, 3, and one leg up. One more. 1, 2, 3. One leg up. Do, 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 do. Look at her on the end. Still same smile. Same smile. No, on it. Yeah. And now scoot in. Yeah. It's perfect. We've taken a normal professional and we've turned it into fun and goofy. All right, everyone always asks, how do I transport all that? And it all fits into this nice little neat container. And that's everything. You guys have a great day. I am 7Block. Go watch other videos, I guess. Like, subscribe, comment, all of the stuff. Have fun. Bye.